Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to find the total inductance for this given three series connected coupled coils. So here I have an inductance of 1 Henry and another inductance of 1 Henry and another inductance of 1 Henry. So these are the three inductance which is called self-inductance, but there is an inductance between first coil. So let's try to consider this as a coil number 1, coil number 2 as well as coil number 3. But there is a mutual inductance between coil 1 and coil 2. There is a mutual inductance between coil 2 and coil 3. There is a mutual inductance between coil 1 and 3. If it has self-inductance as well as mutual inductance, then how to handle this problem is very important. Okay, now let us try to solve it. Okay, now let's try to write down as per the direct formula L equivalent. Okay, so L equivalent is equal to, okay. So L equal, let's try to write down for the first coil. So first coil self inductance is how much? 1 Henry. Just write down it as 1 plus. There is an mutual inductance between first coil on the second coil, but here current is entering the dot for the first coil and current is leaving the dot. Then you have to write down it as a minus M12. If both the currents are entering, then you have to write down it as plus. If one current is to this inductive coil 1, current is entering the dot. For the current this coil, current is leaving. One is there at entering, one is there at leaving. Therefore, you are going to get minus M12. Next, what is the effect of first coil on the third coil? Here you can see here current is there at entering of the coil, and here also current is there at the entering of the coil. Both are there in entering, therefore you are going to get plus. This is nothing but plus M13. With this, first coil is completed. Now let's try to write down this. This is valid for the first coil only. Now let's try to write down for the second coil. In the second coil, it has a self inductance of plus 1. Okay, and coming to the mutual inductance, it has a mutual inductance from second coil onto the first coil. So one is there at dot is there at entering, dot is there at leaving. Therefore, you are going to get minus M12. And so there is a mutual inductance between second coil and third coil. One is there at current. Dot is there at leaving of the current and dot is there at entering. One is there at leaving and another is there at entering. Okay, automatically you are going to get minus M23. Here you can see here to this coil, one current is entering the dot and another current is leaving the dot. So therefore minus. So here it is leaving and here it is entering. Therefore once again minus. With this, self inductance is completed. Mutual inductance on second coil. You can write down this as M21 also, no issue because both are symmetry. So if you want to write down, you can write down it as M21 also. Second coil on first coil, second coil on third coil. So with this, this one is completed. Now let's try to write down for the third coil. Okay. So when you come to the third coil, the self inductance is how much? 1 Henry. Okay. Plus third coil on the first coil. Therefore, you are going to have third coil on the first coil. Here, dot is there at entering. Here also dot is there at entering. You are going to get M13. Okay, and second coil on the third coil. Okay, so first coil on the third coil, second coil on the third coil. One is there at leaving, one is there at entering. Therefore, you are going to get minus M23. Okay, so hope you have been able to understand. Okay, let's try to substitute the values. 1 minus M12. What is the M12 given in the problem? 0.5 plus M13 is how much? 1 plus 1 minus M12. M12 is how much? 0.5 minus M23 is how much? 1 plus 1 plus M13. M13 is how much? 1 minus M23 is how much? 1. So when you do it, so here we are going to take the inductance as directly 1. Okay, now let's try to solve the problem. Okay, so when you see here you are going to get add these values. Here you can see here 1 plus 1 plus 1. Okay, so this plus 1 and minus 1 will get cancelled. This plus 1 and this minus 1 will get cancelled. Okay, so therefore you are going to have 1 plus 1 plus, which is nothing but 2 minus 0.5. So it is nothing but 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is nothing but 3, and this is minus 0.5 minus 0.5, so which is nothing but 1. We are going to have 2 Henry as the inductance. So this is how to find the inductance of the coil at 3 series coupled coils. That's how to find the inductance. If you feel my explanation is good, please like the video and share with your friends, those who are watching the channel, those who want studying the same content. If you have any doubts, let me know in the comment section. I will answer your doubts. And if you are watching my channel for the first time, subscribe to my channel with the name kvthulasi. Thank you for watching. We'll meet in another beautiful video. Yours, Ram.